Yeah.
Do a cannonball, okay?
Yeah.
Jump as far as you can out here.
Ah!
You got this. Just don't think. Just do it. Just do it.
I don't know.
Fucking kidding.
Parkour!
I follow you.
Oh, there's a golf ball!
Check it out.
This is awesome. すごいな、ブー。
Don't think. Just do it. Just do it. Whoa! Look at all that cheese.
Nice cheese Grand Prix.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you some stuff. Come on.
Hey, Monday, before
Yeah,
you came here, then
yeah.
you
I started when he
bought 3 extra.
Oh, here, grab one, grab one.
It smells so cheesy.
It's a cheesy chickeny day.
Wow.
Okay?
やば。
Koi?
Yeah, very
Oh
cool.
my god. This is nom 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 nom. So light. Here, have more. It's koi.
It's cool. You like it?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Surprisingly, like I wasn't expecting it to be this good.
I didn't expect you bought 3 packs.
I had a feeling about this one. That's why I got a second one, and I wanted to share it with you. Here, take this one. I got another one. お腹いっぱい。
お腹いっぱい。
お腹いっぱい。I'm already full from mini stop now. Shoot. Oh yeah, let me get you juice. Sorry about that. I got too excited with the koi cheese and nugget. Yeah. Nugget. Koi. It's to fall in love, and it means rich.
Yeah, rich. But it doesn't mean that money rich.
Like rich in happiness, rich in like life experiences.
Like rich taste. Like stuffed.
Oh, okay. Like a rich
Real
flavor.
stuffed.
Right here. Can you pull this? Wait, maybe that. I didn't want to touch the straw with my hands. Sorry. I was trying to help you get that set up. Sorry.
That's okay. Thank you.
I failed you. ごめんなさい。
It's okay, boo.
Koi.
Don't worry, boo.
Did I ever tell you if me and my wife ever had kids and thank God we never had kids?
Kids?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
If we ever had kids,
Yeah.
if we had a boy, we would call him Green T Henderson. Henderson. My wife's last name was T. If we had a girl, we would call her QT Henderson. She cute. QT. So, and it would have sucked if she wasn't cute. So we would have had to change her name.
Yeah.
And if we had a third kid and it was a boy, we would have called him Booty. Yeah, those kids would have hated us.
Yeah.
It's a good name to be.
You know, Japanese has the name You Suck.
Oh, you suck?
Yeah, You Suck.
What? I suck? I suck!
And also we have...
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, you turn up the volume?